Want to know common cash flow mistakes and how to fix them? Then here are 3 of the most common ones and how to solve them. Number 1, spending without a cash flow forecast. How do you know you can afford to make the purchase if you don't know your outflows for later in the year? Number 2, relying too much on late paying customers. How do you know when they will pay? And more importantly, will they? And number 3, growing too fast without working capital. Now, growth is fantastic, but not if it puts too much strain on your working capital. And here are some of the fixes. Fix number 1, track inflows and outflows accurately and plan for at least the next 6 months. Number 2, tighten up on credit control. Set clear payment terms with your clients, possibly get them to pay in advance, and use tech to sound out automated reminders and alternative ways to pay. And number 3, prepare for slow months. Every business can have slow trading periods. Do you have enough cash to cope? Have you ever faced a cash flow crisis? What did you do? Drop us a comment below. Heed the read.